Controlling your blood sugar. Well, this is one of the things that I see problems with people every day. And if you know my own story, my personal story, I dealt with blood sugar problems as well. It's kind of what created the quest that I'm on right now in my clinic, helping people restore their health. And I developed diabetes. So that's a blood sugar problem, of course. And I was able to turn it around, I caught it early, with lifestyle and diet and a little bit of help of some supplementation. Everybody's case is different and every cause of blood sugar problems are different, but hopefully some of these products below will give you some help with that. It's estimated at the time of this video that 50% of the American population are dealing with, that are either pre-diabetic or diabetic. This is astounding because blood sugar health is key to brain health. So if you're a pre-diabetic or a diabetic, your risk of developing Alzheimer's and dementia is skyrocket. Really, I think the research is somewhere between 200, 300, 400% increase. So blood sugar is the fuel for your brain, and more blood sugar isn't best. It actually can cause problems. So these products can help start regulating your blood sugar. It's not a replacement for medical intervention by no means, and it's not a replacement for lifestyle, but it can help. So hopefully the information below is helpful for you.